Navigating among websites with Internet Explorer 10. When you're browsing the internet, you will want to move from one website or web page to another. You can do this in several ways. You can enter the URL in the address bar, as covered in the previous video, or you can also move back and forwards to a previously visited site. You can also click on a hyperlink or text an image to move or follow the link. Okay, let's go ahead and open Internet Explorer 10 from the Windows mod. Okay, so when we first click there, it's gonna take me to my home site, my home web page. Okay, now here's the address bar. Okay, when I click into the address bar, quite a few other tabs are gonna be in display. Okay, now these are the user frequent websites, and if I keep scrolling to the right hand side, see, it's gonna start displaying my favorites. Okay, now from here, let's say that I wanna go to let's go to Microsoft. Okay, .com, enter. Okay, now I'm just gonna see when I click up here into a away area, the address bar closes. If we right click, there's back. Okay, now let's say from here, let's say that I want to go to Google. Okay, so I have visited 3 different sites. Okay, within the same Internet Explorer. Now when I move back, okay, we don't have the traditional left arrows appearing to the top left corner. Okay, into the Internet Explorer Windows mode. See, you guys are gonna see this little chevron arrow on the left hand side. So just probably not gonna see it. Just bring your pointer, place it here. You guys will see that arrow. One click and I'm back to Microsoft. Another click and I'm back to MSN. Okay, if I bring my pointer to the right hand side, see, I'm also gonna see the same chevron. So I could just go forward, forward. Okay, now let's say that I want to go to another site. Let's say that this time we're gonna go to yahoo.com. Okay, and then again, see, from here I can just go back to the previous page, Google, or go forward. Okay, we already know how to close this Internet Explorer. We don't have the traditional minus 2 little boxes and the X to close, right? So all we need to do is just bring your pointer up here into the top of the screen. Left, when you see the little hand, left click, hold. See, the window is gonna become smaller. Keep dragging it down, and after we release it here, it will close. Okay. Now let's say that I'm gonna go back to Google. One more click here. Into Microsoft. Okay. So I'm gonna click right here into the search engine, and I'm just gonna type in graphics. And hit enter. Okay. Remember, every time that you guys see most of the time this blue in blue color, okay, text is because it is a link. When I click on that, it's gonna take me to, it's gonna display, see, other links. When I click on one of them, it's just gonna take me to that particular link. Okay, so when I go back, click, click, and I'm going back. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and close my Internet Explorer 10. And that is navigating among websites on Internet Explorer 10.